Hi, today we'll be talking about hose bibs. This is a hot and cold hose bib. My name is Anthony with Pike Plumbing and Sewer. Let's talk about the importance of winterizing these. So right before we know we're getting into the winter time, you're not going to use your hose bib anymore. It's extremely important to go ahead and take the hose off of it. That's just going to protect it, let the water kind of come out, and that way it doesn't freeze and pop inside and cause some water damage. Another important tip of winterizing is putting a cover on it. They have foam covers at Home Depot, Amazon. You can buy. As soon as you take that hose off, go ahead and put a cover on it, and that's just gonna make sure that it doesn't freeze and pop and cause you water damage to your home. For this customer, we installed a hot and a cold hose bib. He has a dog that during the wintertime they like to bathe outside, so they wanted to be able to mix some warm water into it, so the dog's not absolutely freezing. You can pretty much do this to any home. It's a nice feature. You can wash your tools outside. You want to wash your car with some warm water, you can. It's a really nice feature. It's really important to have this done by a licensed plumber, as doing it yourself, there's a good chance that you could have it cause a leak, cause some extra damage, maybe do it out of code, which can cause you issues down the road. I've seen where people think they have installed correctly, and overnight they had a leak, and next thing you know, their garage is flooded, or they have a bunch of water in their home. So it's a really good idea to hire a licensed plumber, like Pike Plumbing and Sewer. You didn't stop recording me,